Welcome everyone, here's how you add your card to the iTunes store. So the first step is open up the iTunes store, scroll all the way down until you see your Apple ID right here. In the future, this may not be available, so if you don't see your Apple ID here, I will show you an alternative method at the end. Tap on your Apple ID, then tap on View Apple ID. From here, you may need to enter in your passcode, Face ID or Touch ID. You're then going to see where it says Manage Payments. Tap into this one. You should see here your card. All you do is you tap on Add Payment Methods, use your cards, and then enter in the card information. Do keep in mind that if, for whatever reason, you're unable to access this area from the iTunes store, if you go to the App Store, tap on your icon, tap on your Apple ID, you'll be brought to the exact same area as you would be with the iTunes store. When you have a payment method for the Apple Store or the App Store, again it will transfer over to the iTunes store as well. So with that being said, thanks for watching, see you guys later, bye bye.